I just picked up this box of the new Azura Popmart collection. This one is called Azura Fantasy Nature. When I saw this on Popmart's Facebook the other day, my jaw dropped. I loved all the designs so much, I picked up a whole box. Okay, here is a little look at the 12 designs. My favorites are Treasure and Flame, always going with the purple ones, but they are all so beautiful. Now, while I am in love with all of them, I am hoping to get the secret one. Last time I opened a box, I managed to pull the secret one. That time I wasn't expecting it or really hoping for it. This time I'm really hoping for it, so I'm probably not going to get it. But it's this beautiful one with a clock, and it's got purple tones in it, and she is so beautiful, and I really, really hope I can get her. So, this girl, I love her so much. She's so like Taylor Swift Midnight's vibe. Yes, I still see everything in Taylor Swift era. This isn't gonna go away. This is my whole life. The best thing about getting the box is like the box. I mean, obviously I love all the figures, but it's so exciting. It's like you get a bonus box, because if you just bought 12 Pop Marts, you wouldn't get this snazzy box to store all your boxes in. Okay, box is open. Let the unboxing begin. We'll have a quick look at the cute little packaging. They've got all the figures. You can see the outline of the time one here. I need some scissors. Oh, there's some right here. Love that. These are scissors for embroidery floss, but we're using them anyway. Okay. Rip. Don't you love the sound of that ripping? Okay, am I going to do card first or figure first? I think it's more exciting when you do figure first. Spoiler alert! I was trying to look at the figure first. That is a beautiful design, isn't it? Let's see what she actually looks like in 3D. Oh my gosh, she's even prettier than she is on there. This is like one of my favorite Pop Marts ever. Okay, so I didn't realize when I was looking at it, her name is Melody, obviously. It's like a music one. She's holding a little harp and she's sitting on a pink music note. The colors, the like blue to the purpley pink, is so pretty. I love the wings. Oh my gosh. And these look like wings in her hair. I don't think they're wings in her hair, but they are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I am so in love with this. I love how her hair's all shiny. It's just so pretty. Okay, box number 2. I'm trying to do the figure first without this one falling out. Oh my god, is this a time one? Is this a time one? Is this a time one? Don't get too excited, but the bag is twice the size, and when I opened my last box, the bag was okay, don't get too excited. It might not be her. It might not be her. It's not her. It wasn't her! I got way too excited. It's the cover box. Starry Sky is very beautiful. I got a bit ahead of myself. I thought it might be the secret one. No secret one yet. It's cool that they put her in plastic. I guess that's to protect her little horns. She is beautiful. She is gorgeous. I am a super big fan of this design. This one kind of looks like it should be a secret, don't you think? I love her horns. Oh, she's got sparkles in her hair. This gradient is just gorgeous. These wings. All of them have wings, because wings are like my favorite thing ever. It's such a pretty like astrology aesthetic. Okay, box number 3. Don't get too excited if the bag is big, because it might not be the secret one. Oh, the bag is big. Don't get ahead of yourself. It's probably just another one in plastic, and we love all of them, so it will be okay. This is the Red Queen girl. I don't know if she's actually a queen, but I'm pretty sure that is a crown. This is the first Pop Mart series I've opened where they come in plastic. I didn't know that was a thing. I'm glad they are protecting my girls. Oh, she is gorgeous too. We've got beautiful fairy wings. Look how pretty those wings are. I want to call her an evil queen, but just because she has spikes doesn't mean she's evil. I'm loving this like red, gold, black aesthetic. Once again, she's got shiny hair. I'm loving all these little gold details. So pretty. I love how this crown is like kind of transparent. It just looks so cool because there are so many different textures. I'm loving the card designs. Like they're all so different. The backgrounds match the figure. Up to box number 4. It's one of my faves. This flame one is so pretty. So pretty. Let's see what she looks like in person. Why doesn't she get a little case? Justice for the flame girl. Oh my goodness. I think this is one of my favorite Pop Mart figures. Full stop. Oh my gosh. These like pink flame shoes. You know what this is? This is giving like very like Reputation X Speak Now, which is what I want to go as for the Eras tour. So top-notch inspiration here. We've got these horns. We've got this beautiful sparkly hair. It goes from like blue to purple to pink. We've got the gorgeous wings with a cute little bandage on them. She is like part of the fire. She's like hugging the fire with it like coming through her arm there. The colors on this one just make my heart so happy. Okay, open it up. Get rid of this annoying thing. Who's it gonna be? No spoilers this time, please. We want to find out from the bag, not the card. And it's the mermaid girl. I love her. I love her. I have her sitting right here. This is the one from the fairy set. Now she has a best friend. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this figure is. She has little wings on her feet. She has this, oh my gosh, this skirt is like water. This skirt is like a wave, and that's the wave crashing. Gorgeous. Once again, she's got that nice gradient of blue onto her feet. She's got a little pearl bracelet. She's got the pearl headband and the stars. Her hair is shiny. It's not that kind of see-through stuff, but it's still very pretty. And on the back of her, we've got her gorgeous little wings. Oh, they look like water wings. They just look like they're dripping down. That's so pretty. And then she's sitting on what looks like the head of a jellyfish to me. That is up there with the favorites. Oh my gosh, her card is so pretty too. They've done such a good job on these cards. I'm very impressed. Hey, box number 6. Oh no, I ripped the box. That's alright. I've got 11 other ones. I did that to myself. I pulled it out myself. I don't know what I was thinking, but we have Twilight. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's even prettier in person. I keep saying in person. Even prettier in real life. Okay, so I'm guessing she's a little angel. She's got her angel headband. Oh, she's got 2 different colored eyes. That's so pretty. And she is sitting on a cloud. Oh, she has little angel wings. They're so cute. She also has a little bandage on her arm. Oh, and a bandage on her leg. I've opened half of the box. There is no sight of the secret one. Doing a little lift test. This one is quite heavy. This one is quite heavy. This one is really heavy. This one is normal, and this one is also normal. I think if I've got the secret one, she's in one of these 3 heavy ones. I'm gonna open the heaviest one and see if we get her, because I really, really want her. I mean, it's a pretty small chance. It's like 1 in 144, so it's not very likely, but I can still hope. It happened last time. This is a big one. This is another one that's in the plastic. I'm assuming the secret one would be in the plastic, so let's see. Okay, this is not the secret one. This is the electric cloud one. This is Fearless Taylor's version. This is what the card looks like. Here's the lightning one. Well, this one has very sort of like jagged hair. All the other ones have smooth hair, but hers looks like lightning bolts, and it has lightning bolts in it. Has these little lightning bolts painted on it. She is sitting on a lightning cloud. She's got lightning covering her feet and her arms, and oh my gosh, her wings are lightning. That is another very, very cool design. It's really quite sharp, this. This one is the first winking one I have. This is another heavy one. Will it be the Time Girl, or will it be just an ordinary one from the set? Once again, the card spoiled me. It's the pink Snow Girl. I love her. She's one of my favorites. Her name is Ponder Snow. Let's look at her actual figure. Oh, I thought she was going to be in plastic. No. Okay, this one is so cute because she's sat on top of like a little igloo, and she has ice skates on. It's got sparkly snowflakes on her hair. What a cutie. I love this little igloo. I love the blue and pink in her eyes also. So pretty. Okay, I'm going to save my last heavy one for the end just to keep things exciting for myself. It'd be funny if the Time one was actually like the lightest one. Okay, this one is gorgeous. This is like an autumny one. What's her actual name? Her name is Autumn Leaf. I was so accurate. Okay, this is a really, really gorgeous design. Oh my gosh, her wings are like leaves. Sitting on a tree stump, got leaves for her wings, got leaves for her horns. And she's got these beautiful green eyes. They look so good because they like stand out and they match like the tips of her horns. Oh, I didn't realize she has little gloves too. This is so cute. What I want to do is get back into drawing by drawing my Azura figurines because they're just so pretty. They just inspire me to draw. Okay, so the 3 I still haven't opened are Cool, Sandstone, and Treasure. Still have not opened the secret one. 1 in 144. I don't think I'm getting it today, but happy to be proven wrong. Actually, I'm not happy to be proven wrong. If I don't get Treasure, I'm gonna be so upset. It'll be like spring rain all over again. Okay, it's a small bag. I can't figure out anything from feeling it. Just open it up. It's purple. Oh, yay! It's a gemstone. We did get her. Oh my gosh. This is like the prettiest one of the lot. Look at this. It like shimmers different colors when you shine it in different light. That is amazing. This is a new top tier favorite figure. She's got the shiny hair. She's got little crystals on her feet, on her hands. Oh my gosh, she has gemstone wings. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh, her little collar is chipped. cute. Maybe it's just meant to look like a gemstone. She also has the 2 different colored eyes. Very, very pretty. I'm very glad I got her. Now I can hope for the other one to be the secret one because the other 2, actually, I do really like cool. The sandstone one is also very cool, but I would rather the secret. Are we gonna get it? Probably not. Oh, we haven't looked at her little card. Oh, that's a nice card with the moon in the background there. I'm opening up this light one. I'm guessing this is gonna be cool. It could either be cool or sandstone or secret. It's not gonna be secret. It's way too light for that. And I was correct. It is cool. Oh, this is even prettier than it looks on the box. Okay, this is like a pastel daydream. Oh my gosh, there's like a little... Oh my gosh, stop. Okay. This is like a bell. You see? You've got that in there. And then you like jiggle it around like a bell. That is very cool. I like her bow. She's also got a collar that's not sitting straight. I love the different colored eyes. Can't believe she's on a bell and I didn't realize. That's so cool. I love the little leaf on her hair. I am very glad I got that one. She's holding a pinwheel. I didn't get a pinwheel. Where is the pinwheel? Is that meant to be a pinwheel? Is that just part of the art? Did I throw it on the ground? I didn't get the pinwheel and I have it on camera, so I'm gonna go demand a refund from Popmart. Did I really not get it? I'm gonna have to watch that footage back. I got it. I just accidentally threw it on the ground. Well, not accidentally, on purpose. I didn't realize this set had little accessories. Have the other ones been having accessories that I've been throwing away? My gosh, it actually works as a pinwheel too. Okay, last one. It is a heavy box. I'd like for it to be secret, but it's most likely just gonna be the sandstone. Trying to feel around for key features. I've got no idea. Okay, it is sandstone. We didn't get lucky. We didn't get the secret one, but let's appreciate this beautiful figure in front of us. This one's very like gothic. She has really cool hair. I think she wins the best hair. Skull on her head. Are those like wings on her legs? She also has the bandage on her leg. She's got this prickly cactus, a little skull, and she's got very like spidery wings. That is her card. Well, thank you very much for joining me on this Azura unboxing. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the Azuras. It's a shame I didn't get the secret one. Anyway, I'm gonna go set up my new Azura figures. Bye!